Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete hidden apps on your iPhone. When you cannot find an app on the iPhone home screen, how can you delete it from your iPhone? 4 ways are introduced here to help. Way 1. Delete hidden apps using the app library. Open your iPhone, and swipe left until you reach the app library. Enter the app name in the search bar. Press and hold it until a menu appears. Tap the Delete App option. Tap Delete to confirm. OK, the app is removed from your iPhone. Way to delete app via Settings. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Then select the app you want to remove. Tap Delete App. Now confirm the deletion. Way 3. Find the hidden app and delete via Spotlight search. Swipe down from the middle of the iPhone home screen. Enter the app name to search. Press and hold the app icon from the search result until the menu comes. Choose the Delete App option. Tap Delete. Way 1. Click to uninstall hidden apps permanently. iShare iDevice Genius is the iOS clean software that can help to uninstall apps to free up space. Firstly, connect the iPhone to your computer. Go to iShare iDevice Genius official website. Then download and install the program on your computer. OK, open the software. Your iPhone is detected. Click the Uninstall option on the left side. Now hit the Scan button. All third-party apps are listed here. Click the Uninstall button, and the app will be completely removed from your iPhone. That's all for the video.